How are you? Today we are going to discuss one of the important concept, circle. In circle, we discuss about parametric equation of the circle. Parametric equation of the circle. So, what is parametric equation of a circle? What is the equation of standard equation of the circle is x square plus y square is equal to r square, where center is of the circle is 0, 0 and radius is equal to r. This is standard form of the circle. So for this circle equation, its parametric equation is x is equal to r cos theta, comma y is equal to r sin theta. This is parametric equation, where theta is parameter belongs to closed interval 0, 2 pi. It is parameter. Suppose if you see graphically, in the standard circle equation has a center r, 0, 0, that is origin, and radius is r. Suppose P is a point, P x comma y is a point, it is variable point. So from P draw a perpendicular to x axis, and theta is the parameter. It is a right angle triangle. If you observe this triangle, here PM is opposite side to theta. That is, if you apply sin theta is equal to PM by OP, which is equal to PM is y by OP is r. That implies y is equal to r sin theta. Similarly, we get x is equal to r sin theta. Yes, x is equal to sin theta. Ym by cos theta is equal to Ym by r. That implies x is equal to r cos theta. You will get this is the parametric equation. X is equal to r cos theta, y is equal to r sin theta, where theta is the parameter. In the same manner, suppose if you consider the general equation having a circle center h and k, x minus h whole square plus y minus k whole square is equal to r square. If you observe this circle equation, here center is h comma k and radius is equal to r in this case. Suppose if you draw this circle on the Cartesian plane, here h comma k is center and its radius is r. If you see, draw a line, this is center, draw a line parallel to x axis through center and draw another line parallel to y axis. Here consider a point P x comma y on this circle. If you draw perpendicular from P to the x axis, it means let us say M and N, and again draw another perpendicular to y axis, let us say N, and this is N is already N dash and M dash. It is a radius. It is perpendicular to x dash line. Suppose from this triangle we observe that as it is the radius r, it is equal to r sin theta, and this is equal to the length cm is equal to r cos theta, similar to the previous case. So from PM, from the figure, Pn is equal to the coordinate y coordinate. So PM, how can you get PM? PM plus Mn, it is equal to K and it is r cos theta. Therefore y is equal to K plus r sin theta. In the same manner, Pn is equal to x coordinate. That means here to here the distance, means here to here the distance is h and this distance is r sin theta. Therefore we can write x is equal to, from the figure, x is equal to the total distance is equal to h plus, from the figure directly I am writing h plus r cos theta, y is equal to k plus r sin theta. I think you have already listened this topic, so that we can move forward. 0 to 2 pi interval, this is also parametric equation. Here one thing we have to observe, that here h plus r cos theta and y is equal to k plus r sin theta. If you write and leave alone, we cannot say that is a circle. We have to mention which is the parameter here. Theta is the parameter or r is the parameter. If you say theta is the parameter, then it says it is equation of the circle. If you say r is the parameter, then it is line equation. So r is line equation. If r is the parameter, line equation represents, and theta is parameter, it is a circle. Next we are moving to next topic. Before moving, let us observe one thing. What is parametric equation? Parametric equation means here this is called Cartesian equation. X minus h whole square plus y minus k whole square is equal to r square is said to be Cartesian equation. Cartesian equation. But here the second equation, x is equal to h plus r cos theta, comma y is equal to k plus r sin theta, is said to be parametric equation. What is the difference? So here in this equation, parameter is there. Suppose if you observe one thing, x is equal to t and y is equal to t cube plus 4. This is a curve. It may be any curve, but this curve is given in a parametric form. This parametric form can be changed into analytical equation, that means a Cartesian equation, by substituting a t value in the equation. Here as x is equal to t, y is equal to t cube plus 4. T cube means t is x. Therefore substitute x cube plus 4. Then y is equal to x cube plus 4 is called Cartesian equation, and this is called parametric equation. In the same manner, we can change one equation to other equation by suitable transformations. Suppose if you want to change this equation to analytical equation, that means parametric equation, means we have to eliminate the parameter. Theta is the parameter. By eliminating theta parameter, you will get Cartesian equation. Here see, from the second equation, x minus h is equal to r cos theta and y minus k is equal to r sin theta. What happens? X minus h whole square is equal to r square cos square theta and y minus k whole square is equal to r square sin square theta. By adding these two, x minus h whole square plus y minus k whole square is equal to r square into cos square theta plus sin square theta 1. So it is equation, Cartesian equation. From that, Cartesian parametric equation to Cartesian equation can be changed, and from Cartesian equation we can change into parametric equation by suitable transformation. Equation of the circle. Alright, do one question based on this concept. Write the parametric equation of x square plus y plus 4 whole square is equal to 16. This for the circle we have to change into parametric equation. So using the standard form, x minus h whole square plus y minus k whole square is equal to r square. By comparing this equation, you will get the center h comma k is equal to 0 comma minus 4 and radius r is equal to 4. Why? By comparing this minus of minus 4, y minus of minus 4. So k is equal to minus 4. X minus 0 whole square you can write there, and the radius is equal to, as we can write 2 square, radius will be 2. So this is information about a circle, given circle. We need to find out a parametric equation. What is parametric equation? X is equal to h plus r cos theta, y is equal to k plus r sin theta. Therefore, x is equal to, here h means 0 plus r means 2 cos theta, comma y is equal to k means what? Minus 4 plus r means 2 sin theta. This is a parametric equation. X is equal to 2 cos theta, y is equal to minus 4 plus 2 sin theta is parametric equation. So from the given analytical equation we change it to parametric equation, and from parametric equation we can also change into analytical equation by eliminating a parameter. Here one thing you do, suppose the difference, let us consider one difference between a circle equation and line equation when parameter changes. Suppose this is a straight line. The slope of the straight line is theta. If it is making an angle theta, this is slope is equal to tan theta. It is fixed for the straight line. Suppose here it is a point h comma k and h comma k. Suppose if you want to find out the line, any point on this line, suppose if within r distance, if you want to find out some p point, we can write h plus r cos theta, k plus r sin theta. Means theta is fixed here. Suppose if you want to find out some other point which is some r2 distance, here q point can be used using the formula h plus r cos theta, comma k plus r sin theta. So here r is the parameter, theta is fixed, so that you are getting all the points on the straight line. Whereas in circle, theta is changing, r is fixed. So means this distance is not changed. Here this is the fixed distance in that case, and theta is changing. Means when theta is changed, r is fixed, then we get a point here. When theta is fixed, r is changed, we get some point here. So that we are getting all the points p dash, p double dash and so on in this manner. So that when theta is changing, we are getting a circle. When r is changing, we are getting a line equation. Understand? That is the difference between parameters of circle and line. Finding equation of a curve. Equation of a curve. Joining a theta 1, joining a theta 1, comma b theta 2. Suppose it is a circle, a theta 1, be one point, means that is a cos theta, comma a sin theta. A point on the circle can be, if it is written in theta, it can be considered as a cos theta, comma a sin theta, if a is the radius. So theta 2, b theta 2, it is a other point. Then what is the equation of chord AB? So it is a is here a cos theta, a cos theta 1 in case of standard circle. A sin theta 1, b is equal to a cos theta 2, comma a sin theta 2, where a is the radius of the circle. Suppose s is equal to 0 be the circle, x square plus y square is equal to a square. So these two are 2 points. Then equation of AB. Slope of AB is equal to what? Slope of AB is equal to y2 minus y1 by x2 minus x1. Means a into sin theta 2 minus sin theta 1 by y2 minus y1 x2 minus x1 a cos theta 2 minus a cos theta 2 minus cos theta 1. This is slope of the straight line AB. Now the equation of AB is y minus y1, here x1 y1, it is x2 y2. Equation y2 minus y1 minus a sin theta 1 is equal to y2 minus y1 by x2 minus slope of AB m into x minus x1 means sin theta 2 or sin theta 1 minus sin theta 2 by cos theta 1 minus cos theta 2 into x minus x1. X1 means a cos theta 1. This is equation of the straight line. That means you can write y minus a sin theta 1 is equal to cos theta sin c minus sin d form means 2 cos of theta 1 plus theta 2 by 2 sin theta 1 minus theta 2 by 2 by cos c minus cos d. Cos c minus cos d means minus 2 sin c plus d by 2 theta 1 plus theta 2 by 2 sin of theta sin theta 1 minus theta 2 by 2. Here 2 cancel into x minus a cos theta 1. X minus a cos theta 1. What we get is sin theta 1 minus theta 2 cancel. So here we get y minus a sin theta 1 is equal to cos theta 1 plus theta 2 by sin theta 1 cos of theta 1 plus theta 2 by, here if you see, if you change this one towards the right side, the equation changes into y sin theta 1 plus theta 2 by 2. Here we are getting y sin theta 1 plus theta 2 by 2 minus a times of sin theta 1 plus theta 2 by 2 is equal to cos of theta 1 plus theta 2 by 2 into x minus a times of cos theta 1 into cos theta 1 plus theta 2 by 2.